example, and I heard this from one of the guys that I worked in the industry with. So I was saying import and export. So our family business years ago, we were supplying baby products to Baby City. So retail's in the detail. And I remember meeting some of the buyers, and we were just exchanging some war stories. And he said he loves doing this to sales reps. And so normally companies, they'll give you a brochure with beautiful printed out stuff, sample, putting a nice folder for you. What he loves to do is, as soon as a sales rep comes into his office, you throw everything into the bin and just keep the price list and just look at them and say, go. Now, the point is, if you don't have a story, you're pretty much screwed.
True.
Because the guy said to him, listen, let's not waste your money, your company's money on all this fluff.
Yeah.
Let's just talk about the price. Never, ever, ever sell on price. If you sell on price, you're not selling on value. So at